Hi, I am María José San Román, chef owner of Monastery Restaurant and Grupo Gourmet in Alicante, Spain. The ultimate artichokes. Hearts of artichoke ready confit in extra virgin olive oil. You can have more information here. Ready to use artichoke hearts. They are already defrosted. They were frozen last night, and you can use it as you wish. Oven, grill, fried, microwave, charcoal. Okay, hearts of artichoke confit in extra virgin olive oil. You can use it for so many things. I put them with anchovies and extra virgin olive oil. This is the variety piqual, which tastes as the artichokes. Here we have a bell pepper sauce that you can add to those that are grilled in the oven of charcoal. Then we have this one that are in the microwave. You can put just some vinegar on the top of it. Vinegar makes such a good combination with artichokes. The deep fry, we are going to add some pine nuts. This one that are a la plancha with some manchego cheese. And the last one will be like the dessert. Artichokes with alioli of cacao and chocolate nibs. There you have a product that you can use the way you like.